Looking to upgrade your Sony camera gear in 2025? You're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best Sony lenses of 2025, must-have picks that every photographer and videographer should consider. Whether you're capturing portraits, landscapes, wildlife, or cinematic footage, these lenses offer the sharpness, speed, and quality that Sony shooters love. We've handpicked these based on real-world performance, expert reviews, and cutting-edge features. From wide-angle to telephoto, there's something here for every creative style. So, if you're ready to take your photography or filmmaking to the next level, make sure to watch till the end. Let's explore the best Sony lenses that 2025 has to offer. Number 5. Sony FE 20mm f/1.8G. If you're a Sony shooter craving wide perspectives with outstanding clarity, the Sony FE 20mm f/1.8G is a good pick in 2025. This compact prime lens delivers impressive edge-to-edge sharpness, even at its wide-open f/1.8 aperture. Perfect for landscapes, street photography, and astrophotography, it offers ultra-wide coverage without distortion. The two advanced aspherical elements and ED glass ensure excellent control over chromatic aberration and ghosting. With fast, quiet autofocus powered by dual XD linear motors, it's also a great option for video creators and vloggers. Despite its power, it's lightweight and easy to carry, ideal for travel and on-the-go shoots. The build is rugged with weather sealing, giving you confidence in challenging conditions. For creators wanting a high-performance wide-angle lens at a reasonable size and price, the 20mm f/1.8G stands out as a smart and reliable choice in 2025. Number 4. Sony FE 1635mm f/2.8 GM2. The Sony FE 1635mm f/2.8 GM2 is a powerhouse wide-angle zoom that's turning heads in 2025. Redesigned for better sharpness and reduced size, this lens is perfect for landscape photography, architecture, and vlogging. Its fast f/2.8 constant aperture performs brilliantly in low light, while the edge-to-edge clarity makes every shot pop with detail. Sony has packed in dual XD linear motors for blazing fast autofocus, and the lightweight build makes it ideal for on-the-go creators. Whether you're shooting wide scenic views or tight interior spaces, this lens delivers stunning quality with minimal distortion. It's a must-have for professionals and enthusiasts looking to expand their creative horizons. The 1635mm GM2 stands out as one of Sony's most advanced wide-angle lenses in 2025, compact, powerful, and ready for any visual story. Number 3. FE 85mm f/1.4 GM. The Sony FE 85mm f/1.4 GM is a dream lens for portrait lovers in 2025. Designed for full-frame Sony mirrorless cameras, this G Master Prime lens delivers jaw-dropping sharpness and beautifully creamy bokeh that makes your subject pop. With its ultra-wide f/1.4 aperture, it's perfect for low-light settings and creative depth of field effects. Sony's advanced optics and extreme aspherical elements ensure edge-to-edge clarity, even when shooting wide open. Autofocus is quick, accurate, and whisper quiet, ideal for both photos and video. The build quality is premium, with weather sealing that keeps you going in any condition. If you want stunning portraits with pro-level detail and smooth background separation, the Sony 85mm f/1.4 GM is an unbeatable choice in 2025. A true essential for any serious portrait shooter. Number 2. Sony FE 70200mm f/2.8 GM OSS. The Sony FE 70200mm f/2.8 GM OSS is a professional-grade telephoto zoom lens built for serious creators in 2025. Whether you're shooting fast-paced sports, wildlife, or cinematic video, this lens delivers stunning clarity and razor-sharp focus across the entire zoom range. With a constant f/2.8 aperture, you get gorgeous background blur and excellent low-light performance, while Sony's optical steady shot, OSS, ensures your shots stay crisp, even handheld. Its dual XD linear motors provide ultra-fast, precise autofocus, making it ideal for tracking moving subjects. Built with weather-sealed durability, this lens is ready for the toughest shooting environments. For Sony Alpha users seeking elite performance, the 7200mm GM OSS is a powerhouse you can count on, packed with pro features, exceptional sharpness, and creative flexibility that sets it apart in 2025. Number 1. Sony FE 2470mm f/2.8 GM2. The Sony FE 2470mm f/2.8 GM2 is a game-changer for photographers and videographers in 2025. This second-gen G master lens is lighter, sharper, and faster, making it a powerhouse for everything from portraits to landscapes. Its constant f/2.8 aperture delivers stunning low-light performance and buttery smooth bokeh, while the advanced autofocus is lightning fast and whisper quiet, perfect for both stills and video. Sony has also improved the build quality with weather sealing, making it reliable in any shooting condition. Whether you're capturing weddings, travel moments, or creative content, this lens stands out as the ultimate all-rounder for full-frame Sony mirrorless cameras. If you're serious about image quality and versatility, the 2470mm GM2 is worth every penny. It's no surprise it's one of the most recommended Sony lenses of 2025 by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best Sony lenses of 2025. Whether you're into portraits, landscapes, video, or all-around shooting, these lenses offer the quality and performance to elevate your creativity. Each lens featured here has been carefully selected to match the needs of today's photographers and videographers. If you're ready to upgrade your gear, all product in this video is available in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment your choice, and subscribe to Tech Facts for more informative and tech top best product reviews. See you in the next video.